Now dear student, we are going to solve question number 5.16, and in this question it is given to you two masses 8 kg and 12 kg are connected at the two ends of a light inextensible string that goes over a frictionless pulley. Find the acceleration of masses and tension on the string when masses are released. Clear? So first let us try to understand this given situation. Clear? Let's suppose I am saying to you, let's suppose this is a fixed end, and let's suppose we connect here a pulley. Clear? This is a pulley. This pulley is very light, and let's suppose we are connecting here strings. Clear? And let's suppose first I am taking here values in the form of variables. Let's suppose here we have two masses m1 and m2, and I am assuming here m2 is greater than m1. Clear? M2 is greater than m1. So definitely we can say this block will move in a downward direction and this will move in an upward direction. Clear? Because both are connected with the same string, so we can say both are moving with a common acceleration, that is a. Clear? So now our objective in this question is to calculate acceleration of blocks as well as tension that is acting in a string. Clear? So what we do here, first we will draw here a free body diagram of both the blocks. So now we can draw like this. We can say this is m2g, we can say this is tension T. Clear? And acceleration A is acting in a downward direction. We can say this is equal to m1g. Again we have tension T and acceleration A is acting in upward direction. Clear? Now you can say, sir, how you know? You can assume any direction of acceleration, but because we are assuming m2 is greater than m1, so definitely this m2g will be greater than compared to m1g. Clear? So now I can write here equation of motion. So I can say, actually if I write here equation for m2 mass, I can say m2g minus t, this should be equal to m2a, and let's suppose this is equation number 1. Clear? Similarly we can write equation for m1 mass. I can say this is equal to t minus m1g, this should be equal to m1a, and let's suppose this is equation number 2. Clear? Now you can observe we have two equation and we have two variables. Number one variable we have capital T, and second variable we have acceleration. Clear? So now what we can do, we can add here 1 plus 2. If we add two equation number 1 and equation number 2, I can say t and t, this is cancelled out, and I can write here this is m2g minus m1g, this should be equal to. Now we can take here a common, so acceleration A, I can say this is m1 plus m2. Clear? So I can say acceleration A, this is m2 minus m1 and multiplied with g divided by, we can say this is m1 plus m2. Clear everyone? So acceleration A, this is given by m2 minus m1 multiply g upon m1 plus m2. Clear? So this is a formula you should keep in your mind whenever we are taking this pulley is light and string is inextensible. At the time you can apply this formula, A equal to m2 minus m1 upon m1 plus m2 multiplied with g. Clear everyone? Yes. Now what I can do here, if I put this value of acceleration in any equation, I can calculate value of tension. Clear? So let's suppose if I talk about equation number 2, I can say T, this is given by m1g plus m1a. Clear everyone? Yes or no? So I can say, I can write like this, m1 common, this is g plus a. Clear? Now we can put here value of g, value of a, and now you can take common g. Clear? So I can say this is m1g, I can write here 1 plus, this is m2 minus m1 divided by m1 plus m2. So m2 minus m1 divided by m1 plus m2, and this bracket is closed. Clear? So from here we can see value of tension T. Value of tension T, this is given by m1g. Clear? If I taking here LCM m1 plus m2. Clear? So I can say here we can write m1 plus m2, this is m2 minus m1, so m1 and m1, this is cancelled out. I can say this is twice of m2. Clear? So value of tension T, this is given by twice m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2 and it is multiplied with g. Clear? So actually here we have two formulas, acceleration and the tension. Directly you can put here value of m1 and m2 and you can easily get answer of this question. Clear? So now concentrate on a screen. So first I am calculating here value of acceleration. I can say acceleration is given by m2 minus m1 over m1 plus m2 and it is multiplied with g. Clear? Now value of m2. Let's suppose I am saying this is m2 and let's suppose this is value for m1. Clear? So I can write like this. This is 12 minus 8 divided by 12 plus 8 and multiplied with g. Clear? If nothing is given, I am assuming value of g is 10. Clear? So we can say this is equal to 4 divided by 20 into 10. So we can say this value we have 5 and this is 2 meter per second square. Clear everyone? Now next objective in this question is to calculate value of tension. So value of tension, how can we calculate? Now we know formula T, capital T equal to twice of m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2 and it is multiplied with g. Now we can put here values of m1 and m2. So 2 times m1 and m2, m1 value 8, so 8 into 12 divided by, we can say 8 plus 12 and it is multiplied with g, this is 10. Clear? So we can say 2 into 8 into 12 divided by 20 and multiplied with 10. This one and this one cancel out, this one is also cancel out. Clear? So from here we can say this is 96 Newton. Clear? So like this we can calculate value of tension also. So this is all about this question. Clear everyone?